Hello students, welcome back to Shri Gyanmanjari Vidyapeeth. Students, you all must be preparing very well for the NTSE examination, that is National Talent Search examination, for which the school is assisting you with lots of lectures on the different topics that are covered in NTSE, that is Math, SAT, SET. Many lectures of math, science, etc. has been imparted so far. Students, the NTSE exam is scheduled on 13th of December 2020, and as you are already aware that we are going to conduct a mock test in the form of PST and WST for the students appearing in the NTSE. The PST and the WST, they are scheduled in such a way that PST, which stands for Partial Syllabus Test, in which we are going to conduct 4 PST tests. Whole of the syllabus of NTSE has been divided into 4 parts so that you have less to study and more to give. So, combined all the 4 PSTs, taking the partial syllabus test one by one, PST1, PST2, PST3 and PST4, thus we'll be completing the complete NTSE syllabus in 4 parts in PSTs. After we complete the whole syllabus of NTSE, cover the whole syllabus for NTSE with the PST tests, then we will be conducting 3 WSTs, that is whole syllabus test. PSTs will start from 24th of November 2020. Now, as per the present scenario, PSTs and WSTs will be taken online with the help of Google Forms. So, this lecture is to give a demo how to give the PSTs and WSTs online. The links will be sent 10 minutes before the paper. The timetable is already given to you when the paper will start and when the paper will end. So, before the paper starts, 10 minutes before the paper starts, the link will be sent to your WhatsApp number, and when the students click the link, Google Form will appear and you will have to first fill in your details and then start attempting the questions. So, these are the instructions for how to appear for the NTSE mock test taken by Shri Gyanmanjari Vidyapeeth with the help of Google Form. Students, as you see, a link is given over here with which we are going to appear in the NTSE mock test, that is PST 1, 2, 3, 4 and WST 1, 2 and 3. So now, when I click this link, this Google form will appear on the screen, and you can see on the top the name of our school, NTSE. This is of course a demo lecture. The first thing the student has to do is to write his name. So, this is the name. Then you can click the next, or alternately now next you have to write is your mobile number. So please write your mobile number. So what I have done is I have written my mobile number over here. Of course, this is not the real one. Okay, but you have to write your now comes your standard. So this is for standard 10. Next important thing is your division, right? Whatever your division is, here let me write C. Now your actual exam starts. Now this is question number 1. Of course, this is the question for math. Students, the main thing to remember over here is once you click on the link and the Google form appears, please do not go back, otherwise your form will be rejected, and of course you'll have to do all the answers again. So don't go back during the examination. Questions are given over here. Question number 1 is given and 4 options are given over here. You have to simply click the right answer. So let me just give any answer possible. I say let me give 12 as the answer. Correct or not, let us see later. What is the capital of Gujarat? Ahmedabad, Baroda, Gandhinagar, Surat. These are the 4 options over here. You see, 1 point is written on the far right corner. That means this is 1 mark question. Of course, whole of the paper is, for example, math is 100 marks and SAT is 100 marks. So that way. So there will be 100 questions in all, and let us concentrate on this question. What is the capital of Gujarat? So we know it is Gandhinagar. So let me click Gandhinagar and go ahead with the question number 3. Now, who is the Prime Minister of India? We all know Narendra Modi. Shri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. But let me give a wrong answer over here, because at the end we need to know where we stand, right? So out of the 100 marks, how many marks we got? We need to know that. And we also need to know which are the questions where we did not answer correctly, so that we can concentrate on that also and rectify our answers. That means not in the paper, but it is for your record. What is the square of 15? We all know the square of 15 is 2 to 5. So let me click over here on the option of 2 to 5, which is the only number that is indivisible, even number. So we all know 2 is the only number that is even number, that is not divisible. Yes, so right, we select the option of 2. Where is Taj Mahal located? Of course it is in Palitana. No, it's in Agra. But let me click the wrong answer, right? Then at the bottom, after you complete the 100 questions, at the bottom you will have a submit button. Before giving the submit button, you can go back and correct your answers. Where is Taj Mahal located? Agra. After you click the submit button, you cannot rectify the answers, right? So I have rechecked my answers and I think that my paper is complete. Then I click the submit button and your response has been recorded. Now we have to view the score. So click on the view score button to view your score. 3 out of 6. That means I got 50% marks, right? This was just a demo. So 3 questions I have attempted wrong. Right over here you can see which questions you marked wrong. Yes, 12 is incorrect. What is the capital of Gujarat? That was correct answer. Again, we know this question we attempted wrong, right? So these are the 2 questions here. What is the square of 15? So that answer is also wrong. So these are the 3 questions which I have got wrong. Now, what you need to do is you have to take a snap of this page and submit to your associate, designated associate for that. So this is how we are going to appear for the NTSE mock test, whether that is PST or whether that is WST. Okay students, thank you.